Oh, I did it again. If you're wondering what I meant, I started the recording after I had already done the job part. God, I have to be more on this damn game. Anyways, I'm kind of glad I started the recording now because apparently bullcrap actually happened. I know what you're thinking. What do you mean by bullcrap, Sammy? Well, I'll show you, young Billy. I'm kidding, I don't know, man.
You know those people that you've been serving over at the burger farm? Yeah, they're not real. If you haven't guessed by now.
No,
That's
I thought they were.
Before E7 got to me. And now I can talk.
Fuck, I forgot about that. Okay, I'm gonna have to throw this just somewhere when I buy things. Because apparently when I clicked to push next, it clicked as me putting it on that. Stay. And don't disappear. Because I'm kicking and killing your stupid ass. No, how about you say be sure to not destroy it on accidentally.
Sometimes my body goes entirely numb. And I don't know why.
Because you're a fucking idiot, that's why. At this point, I'm just pissed. At this point, I'm just pissed. Because, god damn it. Okay, you're almost a happy sandwich. No, I would rather just be a patient pickle. Because at least I can be that. But I can be a patient-ass pickle. Unlike all of you people. All these people, yeah, they're just nothing but toes. No! No! Oh yeah, you just jump into it, that's right. There's a cowfish. Nice. See, look, that's what they're supposed to look like. The farmer. Okay. The fuck is this damn thing? Ah, fish! Wait, where's the fish in this one? It's a chicken.
You survive this dark and dreary night.
Whoa, Jesus Christ. Why does it look like you got a crotch? Anyways. Why does it look like you got a crotch? Anyways, let's continue. Oh, see, look, this looks more like freaking, not Ben, I mean, yeah, Bendy's era, which would be the 30s. If I remember, that was called like the Patty Bomb or some shit like that. Yes, remember, I've seen gameplay of this.
Graham, who united the three nations of Sabbat, Dariaz, and Robliad under the World Scythian government of King Desert.
Okay, we get the hell out of here. Cool, I got this key card for no fucking reason. Art! Yeah, no. Okay, no such thing as art. There's only fart, and fart is considered an art. Is it? No. No. So they got that correct. Yes, art. Anyways, okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna use these things. I'm gonna get into that one area. 0. Is it? If it's gonna be 4 zeros, I'm gonna get mad. 9. Okay, 0, 0, 9. 6. 0, 0, 9, 6. That's a set.
Someone is available to take your call.
Fuck. Oh, want.
I have spent a considerable amount of time in the simulation. With my cognition fully intact, I was able to observe test subjects up close and really study the effects of this behavioral modification technology. The is present in test subjects across every simulation. We aren't producing subservient workers. We're replicating trauma.
Hello, no one is available to take
Yeah?
your call. Leave a
What else is
message at the
happening?
tone, and we'll get back to you.
Alright, let's do this shit. Anyways. Hey, Joe, you mind if I go into your room? Sleep inside. Okay. He said yes. I'm allowing you in. Disrespect. What the fuck? 2980 and the other one was like 009 something. Hey.
Hello, my name is Theodore Oliver Emerson, but my family calls me Theo, and my friends, they all call me Toe. I've wanted to escape that nickname since childhood, and I finally did when I got here, but now I'd give anything to hear them call me Toe one last time.
Someone should call like Godzilla. Escape from the barn. I'm guessing. Escape from the barn. I don't get it though. The awakening. Awaken! Anyways.
I've been stuck here in New Elysian City. It's like this fake town. I don't know how to get out. If you're hearing this, you gotta help me. I think there's others too, and you gotta hurry. They're doing something to our brains. I'm losing my memories, starting to forget, well,
Are you sure?
almost everything.
I'm like losing my memories? I think? I don't know? Maybe? Like, yeah? Okay? Duh? Dude, I feel bad for him, but what the hell? Also, hey fishy. He looks more adorable here. Also, I'm pretty sure this is vandalism. If you steal, look that. Got this, guys. 3, 1. Why was I gonna have 2? 1, 6. 1, 6. 2, 5. 4, 0.
Hey kid, what are you doing in my office? Who told you to go in there? Hello? Oh right, these are one way. Listen.
Now that's much better. Now you don't have to listen to that guy go on and on and on. Who is he anyways? Probably some grunt paid to monitor you. I'll be your new tour guide. Thanks for flying with us. Anyways, if I were you, I definitely wouldn't press that lever if I were you.
Autofocus update 3.7F include. Oh, these are the inclusions. New and improved stable kinetic systems. Ooh. Dual skin tech for added durability. Oh, okay, I get it now. Features over 30 new. What the hell is that? Balance mechanism. Oh, okay, so it doesn't fall off. Rotational leg motors for max speeds up to 23 miles an hour. No human can run that. Not even Usain Bolt. I'm pretty sure he can, and I'm just talking like I'm a fucking idiot. But whatever. I can't remember if you need anything when you go here. Whatever. Whatever. Me too. Wait, what did she do? Oh my Jesus Lord systems. Yeah, this doesn't just scream out as, hey, this should be a good place to be. Still walking through the what the fuck? Why am I still walking through all this? Oh Jesus! I'm sorry, but why was there a naked dude just running? Was he crawling through his prime?
Customers have become much more advanced since I left Barn and got thrown into the diner. Less creepy looking too. I managed to capture one of them, power it down and remove his head before tossing all his limbs in that spooky parking garage. I've been hacking into the head back at my motel, off shift. And believe it or not, he came to life. He has an actual personality. He never shuts up, and every other joke bombs, but Vic is my only friend. This virtual intelligent cybernetic isn't just someone to talk to, though. He's gonna be my ticket out of here. He's gonna be my ticket out of here.
Both depressing and also scary. What's depressing though? What's depressing about it? Is seeing that the world around you is technically a big ass lie. It's like waking up one day and figuring out where you are right now is not real. It's like waking up the next day and figuring out everyone you once lit. You know what? Look up the movie The Fly 2. I forgot what year it came out. It was the one that came after The Fly 1. No shit. Anyways.
Wait! Don't go! Don't leave me here alone!
Burger bomb. I need a clock, battery, and a burger. A burgie. How long have I been doing this? Can't grab that. Burgie! I don't even know who Burgie is. I just remember hearing it. I don't care for that crap. I don't care for that crap. But... wait, no. Need a battery. Need a berry. Dude! Look, I feel bad for you and everything, but... learn to fucking walk better. It's like, alright.
I'm not a robot, you're a robot!
How fucking dare you? How fucking dare you? How dare you say such a thing to me? Wait, where did I see a clock? I remember saying, oh, at that one place, huh?
I'm not the biggest fan of modern art, but maybe you should head to the museum. Could have some answers for you. Who knows?
I know, I'm heading there now. It is this. Alright, good.
So where do they got you? The graveyard shift? Hospital? Don't tell me you're at the burger joint. Oh, man. You wouldn't catch me dead in that place.
Yeah, I'm at the burger joints. I can endlessly do this, can't I? You know what? I'm going forever. Just leave that there now. Bye-bye. Anyways, I got a burger bim. Got a burgie bomb. I don't know if that's a glitch or... This is a perfectly good bomb. I'm not wasting it. Oh. Dude, watch out! There's a bomb. Oh, Jesus Christ, that dude just doesn't give a shit.
Grimm is convinced the assets are highly intelligent. These organisms choose to possess the nightmare animatronic designs, taken from the more adult-oriented kaiju spin-off movies. Whatever fused with these animatronics could have possessed the friendlier-looking Barnyard Buds designs, but chose to go with the more threatening monster designs for a further advantage against their prey, to terrify and intimidate, to immobilize with fear they cannot escape.
I'm conflicted right now. Do I go through a freaking hole in the ground? Or do I end the gameplay? Alright. Here was nothing. Oh, he just fell in there, man. Yeah, Zelda, don't talk to me.
7 went down though. Find a way down. Down, 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 down.
I am nowhere near prepared for this. Yeah, I'm not following this. Happy, humble was hip happening. Happy, humble was hip happening. I meant to jump. I meant to jump through there. I got it. Oh, I broke more of my body. I live for that.
Welcome to Outside.
Well, this is where we're going to end the game, because what the hell? Okay, well, thank you everyone for watching this. I hope I'm able to do this. And like I said, oh god, like I said, I royally just screwed myself on that piece because I went in there forgetting I even had any kind of health. Not to mention, it's pulling a Jurassic Park 1 with the car being stuck in a tree, and now you have to get down the tree without getting crushed by the car. Park. So, yeah. Sucks. Alright. Anyways, yeah, I already said the outro part. So please like the video, comment, grab the subscribe, shove it in a burger, shove it inside your friend's face, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. I think